Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix MySQL error script timeout paused. If you want to finish import, please resubmit the same file and import will resume. So we are going to fix it in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we import database, some table import and then give error. So we are going to fix it. Now go to structure again. So we are going to delete or drop all table again. Now check all and then click on drop and then click on yes. And after that we are going to improve or increase maximum execution time and input time for PhpMyAdmin, and then you see your SQL query has been executed. Now go to wamp folder. So we are in wamp folder and then you see alias folder, so click on it. And then you see phpMyAdmin.configuration file, right click on it and then click on edit. Now file is open and then you see phpAdmin value of maximum execution time and maximum input time. So we are going to increase it now at 720 for both. And then click on save. Now file save done. And then we are going to restart wamp services again. So click on it. Now you see wamp icon, right click on it. And then you see restart from 0, so click on it. So we are going to restart wamp services again. Now you see wamp server start again. Go to MySQL PhpMyAdmin again. So we are going to import database again, so click on it. Go. Open database. Click on import. Choose file. Now select and then click on go. Now you see, please be patient, the file is being uploaded. Now you see import has been successfully finished. So our issue is fixed. So we increase maximum execution time and maximum input time and our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.